Okay, can I just, I mean, I'll tell you honestly, it's a little bit overwhelming to me. I really asked not to be told what was happening today. I didn't know who was coming. General ideas, didn't know the numbers, the quantities of people that were coming. I have to tell you, I'm going to accept this today, but I'm not accepting it for myself. I'm accepting it for every single person in this room, because I did not do this. Each and every one of you did. I can tell you that I think I can provide a vision, which is what I think I did 15 years ago. And it was a relentless vision. And it was a relentless vision. This wasn't the goal. This wasn't the goal. This is the result. The goal was to have the best people inside these four walls. And I can remember being here, and I got here in April of 2001 from Southern California, and I came in here, and the very first day I walked in this building, I ran. Ran. See, I can't do it. I said, I can't do it. I cannot go to work in that building. Linda, you're here. Where are you? Did I say that? I can't do it. Couldn't do it. It was physically unattractive. It was staffed with all the wrong people. Nobody cared. And I said, I can't do it. I went back. I thought about it a little while. And I said, but I can change it. I know I can change it. Because the one thing about me, I may not be the best sales manager. I may not be the best salesperson. But I am relentless in my passion. Right?
Amen.
Okay? Relentless on what I expect and accept. Relentless in my commitment to everybody here. And I will be there for each and every one of you, no matter what. When? Vernon, where'd we meet?
At North Hills Toyota.
And what did I say to you?
I'm sorry, I can't remember.
What I said to you is, you seem like a good guy.
Yeah, you let me talk to you.
You said, you seem like a good guy, I said.
Yeah.
Please come to work with us.
Yeah, you did.
And you're one of the greatest guys we have here right now.
I'm on.
Okay?
Thank you.
And that's what this place is built on. It is not about this. This is only a reflection of how everybody else feels about us. That the reflection that, and I'm going to tell you, I'm really wound up for this, but the reflection of what we're putting out, this shows us the mirror of what comes back. Right?
Right.
And it's not about today. It's not about today. It's about tomorrow, being here tomorrow. You can talk about technology. You can talk about the changes in the business, in the world, and the business model. And so many things are changing so fast. But the one thing that will never change is the value of a relationship between you and I, between you and our customers, between me and our customers, our commitments to the people that believe in us and trust us. I said this to my son yesterday who was here. I said, Richie, and I used to tell Richie all the time, because everybody always said to me, boy, you have such a nice young man. And I would say to him, I don't care if you get A's, I don't care if you get B's, C's, I don't care what it is. All I care about is that I keep hearing that about you as a person. And if I can keep hearing that, then I'll know that I succeeded as a father. I think we're there. It's a little give and take sometimes. But however, it's the same thing here. It's the passion that drives it. People say, and I'm going to ask you, how many times have people said, what's it like to work for him?
Every question.
Okay? Every day. And you know what? I hope the answer is it's really not easy. Right? Right?
Exactly what we tell them.
Okay. How many times have you tried to leave here? How many times?
How many times have I been back?
How many times have you tried to leave? And you're still sitting. Right? Right?
Three-quarters of duty, baby.
And why are you here right now? Why are you here right now?
Because I love it here.
Okay. And that's what creates that. It is not a process. It is nothing in writing. That's a guideline. You can talk about integrity, character, culture, work ethic, and talent. You can talk about those things. They're prerequisites. But this is a result. It isn't a goal. And I hope that everybody in this room touches this, because it's part of you. You all created it. It is a proud moment. I don't know how many Ford dealers there are in the country. 3,500?
3,100.
3,100. This is top 10%, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Top 10% of 3,100. I'll take it. It's not good enough. I want more. I want it in Harmerville. I want it consistently here. I want it at our new Sturm and Larkin location. And you know the difference? The difference isn't just the focus. It's what you talk about every day, who you become every day. You have people in this room who are the very best at the top of their game. You have Bubba, who's got the #1 radio show. You've got Mark Madden, one of the best sportscasters ever in the city. You've got Albie Oxenreiter. You've got Albie Oxenreiter. Albie, how many awards have you won, Albie? Emmys. How many?
Won the President's Award.
Okay. These are people that believe in us. Okay? They did not earn anything they have by just sitting. They wanted it, they had the vision, and they created the opportunities for themselves. They did it. Okay? And that's what you're doing here. I love it. Sturm and Larkin, give you an example. This official, we did buy it. We're closing probably August 1st. And people keep saying to me, every time somebody says to me, "Are you done yet?" I say yes, but maybe not. I'm not done, and I'm still not done. When this opportunity came to us, so the funny part is, I'm from that area, so that's kind of cool. But when Jeff San Rocco and I sat there last week, and we said to one of the service advisors, you remember this, Jeff?
I do.
Remember, we said, "Hey, just out of curiosity, what's your CSI score? Do you know?" "Oh, no, I don't look at that." Right? "Really?" "No, I haven't." "When's the last time you did?" "Oh, it's been a couple weeks." That's great. Congratulations. Thank you for the opportunity. Right? And that's what we do. That's what we bring. We bring process, we bring people, and passion. Remember the passion. Don't mistake my passion for anger. It is not anger. It is anger with myself, if anything. Okay? Because if I fail, if anything in here fails, then I failed. And I don't like to fail. People say, "Why do you succeed?" Fear. I'm scared to death of failure. Measure it any way you want. But I am scared to death of failure. I will not fail. And Val, I didn't see you there, so I'll put you right in front of that group of Mark and Albie and Bubba also. Val Porter, how about that? WDV #1 radio show. I have had relationships with people in this room. Big Joe, how long, Joe?
18 years.
18 years. Kara? 16 years. Val? Same. Albie? How long? Forever?
32.
Mark?
20.
Mark, we've been together right from ESPN,
Yes, correct.
right? I can remember sitting at the Capitol Grill with you.
I remember calling you when they fired me.
But I did deny having anything to do with it. However, no such thing as a problem without in its hands a gift, right? And we made it a gift, but we never stopped. We just kept going. And that's what we're doing here. Anyway, I don't want to become too long-winded. This is not mine, this is yours. This is a big thank you from me. This is, I love you all, I appreciate you all, but don't ever think that I'm going to ease up, because I won't, okay? And if you can understand and appreciate that, then we'll be together for a long time. But it is not over, it's just the beginning, and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for your friendship, commitment, and loyalty to me. So thank you all, okay?
All right, Richard, I'm going to keep it short. Just have a few numbers for you.
I think that was a shot.
Yeah, like you said, top 10% of customer satisfaction in the country, that goes to your team. Your store is in the top 5% of new vehicle sales in the country as of 2018.
Think about that. Top 5% in the country. From Little Wexford. From Wexford, Pennsylvania, that place I said I could never be.
And you are #1 in the state of Pennsylvania, which I think...
Wow. That's good.
So with this, I present to you, congratulations on your 6th President's Award.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is the best. This is it. This is why you come to work, right? It's pride. Feel it. Vernon, feel it, baby. Richie, feel it. Leave. How dare you ever talk about leaving?
I'm going to give a letter to John.
By the way.
Thank you.